Is your REDARC system showing calibrating on your screen? In this video, we'll help you understand what it means and what to do. When a REDARC battery management system or smart battery monitor is connected to a battery for the first time, whether it be a new installation, a battery replacement, the battery's gone flat, or the battery has been disconnected, the monitor or manager will need to learn about the battery it's connected to. When these systems are connected to a battery, the battery type and size will need to be set. These details help the charger determine information on the battery's size and chemistry. Once this information is set, the system needs to fully charge the battery to determine its actual capacity and to display accurate state of charge. Until the battery has received a full charge, the screen will display the word Calibrating. This process is complete when the system detects the battery has reached full charge, indicated by the transition to float stage with less than 0.1 of an amp current flow to the battery. However, if the charger is in boost or absorption stage or equivalent, and current is still flowing, the battery is still accepting charge and requires additional charging time. Brand new batteries, particularly lithium batteries, will not come fully charged. Their charge time, and therefore the time until the calibrating stage is complete, will vary depending on the type and size of the battery and charger. If you have a REDARC battery management system, the fastest and most effective way to finish calibrating is to connect the manager to AC mains without any loads turned on. This allows for maximum amount of charge current to flow to the battery without driving or relying on solar. If AC mains isn't available, the calibrating process can still be completed by charging from solar or the vehicle's alternator. However, it may take longer, especially if you are running loads. If the system is continuing to display calibrating even after the float stage is reached, and less than 0.1 of an amp is flowing to the battery, you will need to undertake a soft reset to restart the charging cycle. To undertake this reset, put the system into storage mode by navigating to the change mode menu and select storage mode. Then wait 30 seconds and put the system back into touring mode. You should now see the system enter boost charging stage. The charger will work its way through the boost, absorption and float stages. We recommend allowing up to 24 hours for this to complete. In systems where a smart battery monitor is paired with a BCDC charger and does not have an AC mains input, we recommend fully charging the auxiliary battery before installation to minimize calibrating time. If you have a Bluetooth enabled system and you are confident that the batteries are in fact full, you can complete the calibration via the RedVision app. In the app, open the battery configuration menu and click Calibration Full. A notification will pop up, click OK. If you have followed these steps and your system is still calibrating, please contact REDARC Technical Support. And for more Help Center content, head to redarcelectronics.com.